Hey guys, it's Gary. I have an announcement to make. Our next masterclass is titled 6 Steps to Successfully Drop PPO Plans. A masterclass is a 3-hour virtual course that's done in a live stream. We do it live, but it's done virtually. So you can attend that masterclass from the convenience of your home or office. And a masterclass allows me to go into depth. It's a 3-hour course that allows me to go into depth about a particular topic. This topic is how to successfully drop PPO plans. So if dropping PPO plans is on your radar screen, you're going to want to attend this masterclass. The masterclass will really provide a blueprint for you to follow to successfully drop PPO plans. One of the ways we measure success is the percent of existing in-network patients that you keep when you drop their PPO plan. And just to kind of give you encouragement on this, what we experience in our coaching work, when we've done all the preparation properly and all the training with the team so that they're confident about talking to patients, we typically keep between 85 to 90% of your existing in-network PPO patients when you go out of network. Well, during that masterclass, I'm going to go through each one of the 6 steps in detail, and you will literally have a blueprint to follow to successfully drop PPO plans. And further encouragement, if you attend that masterclass, and if you're diligent about applying the information I share in that masterclass, you could be at the finish line by the end of 2022. You could be exactly where you want to be, either completely fee for service, if that's your wish. By the way, if that's your wish, I will be your biggest cheerleader. Or you will radically reduce the PPO footprint in your practice, and you could be there by the end of the year. Now, it's going to take some work, but I hope that's encouraging for you. And the first step would be attending this masterclass. Hey, you can go to thrivingdentist.com/masterclass to register. It's very inexpensive, $89, get 3 hours of CE. We make it as affordable as possible. Come join us. By the way, those do sell out, even though it's done virtually. We limit attendance because I run it more like a workshop than a lecture. So go to thrivingdentist.com/masterclass. If there's room available, I want to encourage you to sign up. Hope to see you at that masterclass.